We know you have many choices when it comes to buying your new Dodge, Chrysler, Jeep, and Ram, so here at Tomball Dodge we have hundreds more for thousands less, just like this vehicle we're fixing to show you right now.
A stylish and value-packed compact SUV that pushes new possibilities. The 2.0-liter World engine offers up to 30 highway MPGs, so you can enjoy your adventure even longer. This impressive performance lets Compass attain over 400 miles on a full tank of gasoline. The 2.4-liter World engine, equipped with the available new smooth shifting 6-speed automatic transmission, can tow up to 2,000 pounds when properly equipped. Compass introduces an upscale interior featuring contemporary new fabrics, stylish accent stitching, and spacious room. Head out in the right direction thanks to the advanced Uconnect 430N system with navigation by Garmin. It features the Garmin intuitive user interface and navigation with lane guidance. Compass helps protect you even in the event of side collisions with 6 airbags, including new standard supplemental front seat mounted side airbags, engineered crush zones, and more. The new 2014 Jeep Compass, inspired to take you farther.
Call us today for more information or feel free to stop by Tomball Dodge Chrysler Jeep on Highway 249 just north of Spring Cypress.